everyone, this is Yukti and right now we are in Pegasus Airlines. At this time, students are coming back to their home for the winter vacations which lasts for 1 month, and most of the students, as you can see, are coming back here. All are Indian students, some are sleeping right now, and this is Pegasus Airlines, which come directly from Bishkek, which is the capital city of Kyrgyzstan, to Delhi. And this airline is very nice, and students really like it that they can within 3 hours they can reach back to their country. And the most important thing is that it's very cheap, because if the airlines get costly, then students don't get to afford it. But because it's I think it's less than 10,000.
Yeah, it's less than that.
Yeah, less than 10,000, and student can come and take this flight and come to their country back. And this makes Kyrgyzstan is a very popular city in this case, because it's very important to have a low cost of living and low cost of airfare, so that student can come to their country even now and then, and they can meet their families for any kind of occasion and all. And the college authorities also support the student by giving them some kind of rebate, or allow them to go back to the country for some reason or the other, by giving an application and a consent from the parents also, that they want their child to come back and meet them. So here I would like to just make you see once again